So you might be wondering why your Apple Watch all of a sudden is not working on WatchOS 26. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, the very first thing I'd recommend doing here is to just go ahead and make sure that on your Apple Watch, you want to make sure it's charged up and there's no problems or issues going on within your version of device. So if it's not turning on or anything like that, go ahead, put it back on its charger, let it sit there for a little bit of time, and that could be a really easy way of kind of fixing this problem. Now, if that's still not working, you can also try kind of restarting or rebooting your particular watch. The way to kind of do this is to just hold down this side button of your watch just for a little bit of time, and you want to see if that ends up kind of restarting your watch. Sometimes you might just have to hold down this thing for a little bit, and that might be another thing you might have to do. So just hold down, this side button down here for a little bit, see if anything happens. If nothing happens, you want to hold down both the digital crown and the side button. So hold down these two buttons for a little bit of time, and you want to make sure that's working, because if that's not working, that's going to cause another issue. Now, you might also want to make sure if your watch is not connecting to your iPhone, or if it's something like that, your iPhone needs to be on iOS 26. If your phone is not on iOS 26, then that's going to be a problem. So update your update your iPhone to iOS 26, and that could be another thing that you might have to do to end up fixing this problem. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, till then.